Lack of forgiveness is the ugliest of all flaws. Hazrat Ali. The greatest loss is the wasted time. Hazrat Ali. Be kind to all the creatures of God. Hazrat Ali. When the character is good, the speech becomes gentle. Hazrat Ali. Honor your mother and your father so that your children will honor you. Hazrat Ali. He who obeys Creator is not bothered by the displeasure of the creation. Hazrat Ali. Do good but never speak of it. Hazrat Ali. Never show off your happiness in front of a sad person. Hazrat Ali. He who is not loyal to you does not deserve your love. Hazrat Ali. When you are angry, do not speak. Hazrat Ali. Do not speak of what you are doing until it's done. Hazrat Ali. Wish for other what you wish for yourself. Hazrat Ali. Do not let greed overpower your patience. Hazrat Ali. The best response to a fool is silence. Hazrat Ali. The worst endeavor is separating two friends. Hazrat Ali. Free your heart from hate, for hate is a sickness. Hazrat Ali. The best of generosity is the help to the oppressed. Hazrat Ali. If you do not know, do not speak. Hazrat Ali. Do not be slave to others when God created you free. Hazrat Ali.